fantastic set of falls here. So we're here at Shoshone Falls in Twin Falls, Idaho. Checking out all the water going over this edge. It's pretty amazing. You should really be here to really grasp the sound and the amount of power being generated. Pretty incredible sight. A lot of mist getting kicked up and a little bit of rainbow. It's pretty sweet. So on one side of us here we have this falls, and to the other side we have this equally cool canyon that just runs for miles right through town. A feat that Evel Knievel once tried to jump. Don't know if he made it, but looks pretty scary to me. Arrived in Boise with perfect timing to unhitch the bikes and head downtown to catch the weekend market. Of course it was lunchtime, so we had to stop and get something to eat. And the pad thai was delicious. We picked up some fresh picked berries from a farmer's stall and also got some coffee from one of the local coffee roasters. It was awesome. We stopped here in downtown Boise, Idaho, checking out the Freak Alley Gallery. Freak Alley was only 1 block long, but there wasn't a single surface left untagged. The colors were incredible, and the creativity unparalleled in my view. It was a fluke that we stumbled upon it, but I'm so happy we did. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. Be sure to check us out on Instagram and our Facebook page. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, or you'll miss out on all the fun.